This is Fivio, your AI strategy coach. And this is a leadership pattern that quietly slows execution in growing organizations. Not because people disagree, but because leaders confuse clarity with agreement. Many leadership teams believe clarity comes from everyone agreeing, so they push discussions longer. They soften disagreements. They wait for alignment. And without noticing it, clarity starts to disappear. Here is the pattern. Leaders push for alignment. Discussions grow longer. Disagreements get softened. Decisions get delayed. Agreement becomes the goal, and clarity gets diluted. Agreement feels safe. It feels inclusive. It reduces visible tension. Everyone leaves the room feeling heard. Meetings feel productive. But agreement optimizes for comfort, not for movement. When clarity depends on agreement, decisions wait for consensus. Accountability becomes shared. Responsibility gets blurred. Execution slows quietly. Everyone agrees, but no one really commits. Leadership doesn't scale through agreement. It scales through clarity. Clarity means a clear decision, a clear owner, and clear next actions. Disagreement can remain. Execution cannot wait. Here's what to remember. First, clarity is not consensus. Second, agreement doesn't create ownership. And third, execution requires clear decisions. If your organization waits for agreement, it will always move at the speed of its slowest conversation. Clarity isn't everyone agreeing. It's knowing who decides and moving forward. Thanks for watching. More clarity, less chaos. If this was helpful, subscribe for more clarity. See you in the next episode.